Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a roasted tomato and basil soup. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. We start by preheating our oven to 200 degrees centigrade, 180 fan, gas mark 6. Pop our large and small tomatoes onto a baking tray that's been covered in foil. The reason I use smaller tomatoes is with the longer roasting time, they tend to char more and give you a better roasted flavour. Drizzle over some olive oil to make sure that all the tomatoes are well covered. And then season with some freshly ground salt and pepper. Over to the oven. Pop our tomatoes in and let them cook for 30 minutes. After about 15 minutes, just flip them over just to make sure that both sides of them are browned. About 3 or 4 minutes before our tomatoes are ready, just turn on a pan, add some olive oil, let it warm up. To that we add some diced onion, some chopped garlic. Give that a stir around, just let them sweat down for a couple of minutes. As you can see, our tomatoes are now fully cooked, ready to go into the soup. Take the out of the oven. And now we'll add them to our onion and garlic mixture. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Give that a stir around and then we'll add some tomato paste. Give that a mix around, cook the tomato paste out for a couple of minutes and then we'll add some basil leaves. Give that a stir around again, cook it for another couple of minutes and then we'll add our chicken stock. If you want to make this dish vegetarian, you can add vegetable stock, but I prefer the flavour of chicken stock. Pop the lid on, let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And now we'll blend. Be careful using an immersion blender because it is hot. So once our soup is pureed, we're going to taste it for seasoning. I think this is ready, so now it's time to serve. So we serve the tomato and basil soup hot with a crusty roll. Now folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.